In this video, we'll see how to make delicious corn cheese momos. These are different than the regular momos but taste awesome. Boil some water. Water should be enough so that you'll be able to boil sweet corns. Add some salt as per taste. And then add sweet corn. So these are 2 cups sweet corn. If you're using canned ones, do not boil them. You don't need to boil them. You can just drain the liquid and use those corn. Now at medium flame, you need to boil these sweet corns for 3 to 4 minutes. Drain the sweet corn. Now you need to let the sweet corn cool down completely. Now add the sweet corn to a mixer grinder jar and coarsely grind. So you can use the pulse mode of your mixer grinder to do this. So this is what it should look like. This is perfect. And now to the corn mixture, we're going to add cheese. So I'm using processed cheese because that's very easily available where I stay, 100 gram. And after that, 2 teaspoons of oregano, 2 to 3 teaspoons chili flakes or as per your taste, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, or you can also add crushed garlic, some salt as per taste. Mix everything well. So this is going to be our stuffing. Grinding the corn coarsely is going to enhance the taste of the corn cheese momos to a different level. Amazing. Okay, let's keep it aside and let's prepare the dip. Take 4 tablespoons tomato ketchup and add oregano. This is 1 teaspoon oregano, and then chili flakes, 1 teaspoon crushed garlic. Mix everything well. You can also add a pinch of salt. You can taste the sauce, and only if you want to add, you can add some salt. So our dip is also ready. Let's prepare the dough. For the dough here, I've taken 2 cups all-purpose flour or maida. Add some salt. Give it a good mix and then slowly add water and make a medium soft dough. So the purpose of adding a little water at a time is just to avoid adding a lot of water. So if you know how much water should go inside the flour to make the dough, you can directly add that much. So it's totally up to you. So you need to make medium soft dough. Then apply some oil to the dough and you need to cover the dough and keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. And after 10 to 15 minutes, you would notice how nice and smooth the dough becomes. That is the reason it's very important to keep the dough for at least 5 minutes, I would say. It's been 15 minutes and I'm going to knead this dough for another minute, and that's going to make this dough very nice and smooth. I do this with even the chapati or roti dough. So take out a small portion and then you need to roll it. So let's see how to roll it. So you can roll the dough on your countertop if that's clean, or you can use your chakla belan. So we're going to roll this dough now. The edges should be thinner compared to the center. So that's the normal thing which we do while making a puri or a chapati or a fulka. So this is the size which you need to make. You can also make bigger or smaller momos, up to you. Put some stuffing. And you can see how I'm giving this momo a shape. Again, I would say, like I say in all my momos video, you can choose to make the shape which you find easier. You can also give these shapes like gujia or karhanji. They are very simple and I think most of us know how to make them. Do you know that? Let me know in the comment section. So following the same steps, you're going to make more momos. Roll, stuff, shape. Roll, stuff, shape. Here is a closer view of how I'm giving this momo its shape. And it's ready. It's better to keep the momos covered until you steam them. This will prevent them from drying on the top. These look so cute. To steam the momos, I'm using a kadhai. You can also use any other vessel. Add some water and place a stand. So this stand looks black because I always use it for steaming and baking. Now adding a little lemon juice will prevent the aluminum vessel from getting dark. If you have a momo steamer or an idli steamer, you can also use that. I'm not using my bamboo steamer to steam the momos using a regular chalni. Like I mentioned earlier, you can also use a momo steamer or an idli steamer. Place the momos inside the steamer chalni. And then once the water starts boiling, you need to place your chalni or your momo stand on it and cover it and let it cook at medium flame for 12 to 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes. You can see the momos now look fluffier than they were earlier, but don't worry, they'll come back to their shape as soon as you take them out. So these corn cheese momos taste heavenly. Trust me, if you have not tried these, this is the high time you should give this a try. Easy to make and yummy. Try this recipe at home and enjoy!